Alright, darlings, welcome back to Kirstie'sKarz. I know it's been forever. There's been so much going on. Some of you may know, some of you might not know, but my dad is going through some rough stuff right now. He was diagnosed with terminal pancreatic cancer 2 years ago, and he's pretty much been battling it this entire time. We've been trying RSO, different types of, home remedies, I guess you could say, or like trials. Trying to just find something that'll just kick this cancer's ass. He's definitely not ready to give up, and he never will. So we are going to keep pushing it and going for as long as we can, He just hasn't been feeling the best lately, so yeah. So we went to a resort up in Keystone and got to spend a full week with him and with all the grandkids, so he was super thrilled about that. But while we were there, we were in and out of the hospital. He's just a tough guy. He's go, 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 go. And, the moment that they tell him he needs rest, it's like, get out of my face. So, the guy's just my hero. So keep him in your thoughts, keep him in your prayers. And yeah, so I'm going to play just some videos and some clips from what's been going on in my life these past couple weeks. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, so that's why I am here now doing this, showing you guys life sometimes just takes a hold and you can't really do anything about it. So yeah, here's my adventures this past couple weeks, and then we'll get rolling. How amazing. Look at my view from my bedroom. Oh man. We got a grill, we got a hot tub. Ooh, you eating candy? Getting hyper? Hey dear! Hey dear! Yeah! Vacation! Doesn't it feel nice? I'm getting in that hot tub here real soon. this is the beautiful lake with the mountain view. The Subaru got hit. I came out of one of my stores and noticed that I'm missing my chrome bumper piece, and it looks to me to be a perfect, you know, hitch bump right there. Some dude in a big truck had to back up right in front of me, I guess, and parked in the spot right in front of me, and now I get that. And apparently it was light enough to where it didn't set off my dash. I didn't even get to see who did it. Like, what's the point of having a dash cam if you can't catch people hitting your car? Absolutely ridiculous. But trying to stay positive. It's a beautiful day. It's so beautiful in Colorado. Soaking up the sunshine, enjoying the beautiful day. So many goodies with nowhere to put them because I have too much stuff. But I mean, there's got to be somewhere. Some room somewhere up in here, right? You'd think. But it's actually pretty bad. I'm just gonna start putting stuff places. There we go.
This goes. Oh wait, that goes into something. So this must go into the unit. Or no.
The gas tank.
This goes into the tank. This goes from here, yeah. Yeah, this screws into the tank.
Kabam.
So I got some kind of crazy reverse thread. It's probably gonna take like a big adjustable, unless you get a big wrench to tighten that up.
Yeah.
Alright, I should be able to dial this down all the way. Okay.
Should I set up the little cart?
Yeah.
Wow.
Someone. Okay, that's not working.
Right here.
Yeah.
Gas input.
I'm screwed off of there.
Yep.
Go right in there.
Make the cart.
We'll make the cart. Get it all set up. Okay, you should be able to put the tank on the bottom of the cart.
Yeah, there was a spot for it right here.
Yep.
So, whatever. It looked more heavy duty than the Harbor Freight one too, and it was cheaper.
Yeah, they got that US General shit that's...
Oh, goodness.
You kind of let it lay down on the floor, maybe. Not as easy as it's... Keep bystanders out of the area during assembly.
Really? Bam.
Why they couldn't keep these in little baggies for you? I don't know.
It was all together?
Yeah.
Ew. Hold on. I gotta run inside real quick. It's all perfect. All right, let's see how fast I can whip this together. All right. It's probably in the box still. Huh, that's a plug. Oh, it's in there.
Oh, nice. Cool.
Wow, it gives you all these settings too.
Yeah, see, that's cool. Try these guys out. I like the plug. The plug's heavy duty.
Yeah, I gotta learn how to read this. So 4 and 4, those connect to the big thing, and then you put that thing, and then, yeah, easy peasy. You see what I did? Yes. I was like, this is so weird. Oh, God.
Hey man, do you guys have any PS4 consoles? Alright. He's double checking, he said you don't think so. I'm sure they don't. It's like, probably have to drive clear to Denver, some back alley, right off Leroy. You got your back rails.
I think it's these.
So we have small stuff with the bolster at the back.
Yeah, that thing was.
So that goes in the back. Pointed with the flanges in. And it's gonna bolt through.
Right here.
Yeah, okay. I guess it looks like it's way out by the rear wheels.
Yeah.
Go! We're cooking with gas now.
Let's explore.
Okay, that's definitely toilet paper.
Okay, that's definitely toilet paper.
Fucking big gear. It's like something ate on it too. Be careful. It's old, I think. Old, but it could be hanging around. That's too old. That's probably 2 week old maybe.
Little Bambi,
that's
dude.
seriously decayed. Yeah, that's like a month old. What's with the tree?
What tree?
That is freaking me out right there. Look at that.
I don't know what the fuck is that.
That's some kind of human-made shit right there.
It's a rose bush.
Huh?
It looks like a rose bush.
Somebody made a little something. That's made by somebody.
Yeah, this is freaky.
I'm getting back to the guns or no guns.
.03.
0.03. So it's the same kind of wire. One of them's maybe.
This one's
gas.
solid wire, flux cord.
Yeah, that's for the gas.
Is it? Oh,
Yeah.
that's solid wire is for gas.
Is it?
Because flux cords running with no gas, that's what you run, right? Flux cord wire? Because there is no gas, the flux
I think
inside.
so. Yeah.
So solid wire.
Yeah, you're right. Go see here.
There's a new wire spool over the spool against the spool brake pad to prevent wire feed problems at the spool so that it will unwind counterclockwise. What are you doing?
Turning the wire feed up to like 6.
Wire.
Yeah, this is the wire feed, and you got the MIG. This is the focus. And I'm pretty sure this is the
How fast?
MIG. I don't know what this is.
Right.
I have to look it up.
So that's how fast this spools?
Yeah, and it was on like 2, so let's see what makes it better. Yeah, see, I think that's still not fast enough. And I need some serious voltage. This is pretty thick shit.
It's been such an awesome day. Me and Dad got to go down to IMI and rip go-karts and just have fun. It's so awesome from my perspective, like seeing from my perspective, to see him like blowing by me. It's just like, psh, you know, like, man, he's living. So it's great. You know, pedal to the metal all the time with the guy. You know, it's literally, the track is his natural habitat. Awesome. He definitely chose the wrong career path. I feel like this guy should have been racing, for sure. But maybe we can make that happen for him. Anybody have any ideas? This man likes to go fast. Let's do something. Hit me up with ideas, what I can take Dad to do. He mentioned that he's wanting to drive an 18-wheeler. That's like the one thing he hasn't driven in his life. I mean, I don't know if that's possible to do or not, but man, I would love, like, for one of my people to hit me up and be like, hey, I have an 18-wheeler and your dad can drive it. Like, tell him to come hop in. You know, that'd be sick. So, hint, hint. Anybody got anything super cool, like, that Dad can do? Like, I don't know. You know, time is so limited and cancer is so, you just don't know. You know, one day he feels absolutely great and the other day he's in bed all day in pain. So yeah, I just want to make all of his dreams come true. You know, so we went and we rode a dragster. It wasn't the like full dragster. It was more of like a mini dragster, but it was fun. And it was his first time running a 10-second run. So that was super cool. But I definitely want to just help him do everything. So help me out, guys. What can we send Dad to do? What can we go, you know, watch Dad rip on? Yeah. Anyways, after that, he came and helped me out getting this all set up, showed me how to actually, you know, get the wire fed through there and figure out the gas, because I've never done this before, so it was all, you know, a learning experience. But yeah, it's good, it's running good, and yeah, we're gonna weld some shit. Yeah. We are going to weld today. No promises, it's probably gonna be ugly, but I will never get better unless I just go at it. So, I got time before work tonight. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's go. Like, literally, I've never done this before, and I make no promises. This is going to be ugly, like, probably. You know, there's all of these, like, there's this cool little chart that I had to actually look up how to read it. But I'm learning. This is all learning, okay? So I just want to learn this skill and have it because I think it's a great skill to have. Especially in, you know, my future. Like, this is going to be great. I am so pumped to get going and to get good at this. So let's roll. I have a lot to learn still with this thing. As you can tell, I burned a hole straight through this piece because it was thinner than the pipe. So I go over, change some settings, in hopes that I can figure this out. Now obviously I don't have a lot of metal to choose from, so I'm just making do with what I have right now. It's just for practice and it's just for fun, so no big deal. mean, I'm not fully disappointed. It's not too shabby. And I actually can't rip it apart, so that has to mean something good. Right? Where are your clamps? Could have been better. Definitely not a good brand. There's too much crap all over this metal. So it's just skipping, sparking. You can see all the shit burning. These were actually pieces of metal off of Dad's El Camino. When he cut the hood for the hood scoop. So yeah. There's like paint. Turn off. Yes. But I mean, those are horrible. Literally. Not super proud, but the metal was shit. Can you do? Can't really do much. Just keep practicing, and that's what I'm gonna do. I got these floor panels that I still need to get in there, so that is what all of this is about. That's why I am learning this process and continuing to challenge myself to see what I can complete myself. So that's what we are going to do. I am going to keep practicing, and hopefully by Monday, today's Friday, so hopefully by Monday I will be starting on the floor pans. Once I figure this thing out top to bottom, there's a couple dials that I have no idea what they do, so kind of need to read up on it and figure it all out, you know. Anyways, yeah, at least it's going and it's running and it's not like too shabby. I need to figure out the different settings as far as the thickness of metal goes. Like this pipe is like a pretty thick gauge metal, and compared to like, you know, this or the floor pans that I'm going to be doing, it's a big difference. That's why I burnt straight through some of these spots in that hole at the beginning. But there's stuff to learn. So it all has like some math, science crap to it that, like, you know, gotta get it perfect. And then I will be on the road to success. And then, bam, before you know it, the whole thing will be built. But I'm actually going to be dropping this off on Monday. PFI recommended a place to take it, so I am taking it there. Have them hot tank it and, you know, resurface it, and then probably gonna bore it out. And yeah, there's so many things to come. It's gonna be a blast. Either way, I'm super stoked, and I'm super stoked to be going to PSCA this weekend. If you are going to PSCA this year, I will see you there. Say what's up to me. Seriously, don't be shy. I gotta head to work now. It's the evening, and that is work time. So, we got some welding done. We know that the welder works, which is good. Tested her out. Now it's just time to start kicking ass. Seriously, you guys rock, and I cannot thank you enough for joining me and supporting me in my dream and my goals. This Nova is going to be ripping before you guys know it. I promise you. Life comes first, guys, you know? So thanks for being patient with me, and hopefully I'm gonna start busting out like 2 videos a week, because I am not playing around. It is time to get this thing done. The goal is to have it done by summer, / like the end of summer. You know what I mean. Hopefully sooner, but I got a lot on my plate, guys, so I can only do one bit at a time, and right now, it's the time to just kick it into gear. Like, bam, let's get rolling. I gotta go to work, but I will be back as soon as I can, and I will catch you guys there, because you are not gonna be going anywhere. You definitely don't want to miss out, so like, subscribe, stick along with me here in this journey. Within a couple months, we'll have a running Nova. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you around next time.